Keep it moving towards the left. Make sure it's even with the string line. I'm screeding this section now.
Step 6 of 40. With the concrete cured and smooth and the formwork removed, we are now placing the heavy wooden floor joists across the sill plates. The floor structure is starting to form. Step 8 of 40. Subfloor panels being installed over joists, the wooden surface starting to cover the foundation.
Okay, let's lift this section up. Watch the corner. All right, hold it steady while I screw it down.
Step 14. The roof ridge beam is positioned and we begin installing the roof rafters. The tiny house is really starting to gain height now.
Step 15 of 40. Roof sheathing panels are placed over the rafters, forming the silhouette of the roof. Step 18 of 40. Front porch small platform framing built and attached to main floor on same side. Step 20 of 40. Exterior sanding and initial wood stain applied to siding, color warming under sunlight. In step 22, the front door is installed and the hinges adjusted. As you can see, the small steps leading to the porch are now visible. Step 23 of 40. Exterior trim and corner boards attached. Neat lines around windows and doors. Step 26 of 40. Interior subfloor and loft platform finished. Ladder/stair access framed.
All right, hold it steady right there. Got it. Secure the top left corner first.
Step 28 of 40. Electrical conduit and basic wiring visible at corners. Light fixtures prepped. Step 31 of 40. The loft platform is placed and the small railing installed. The cozy upper sleeping nook is now visible.
Step 32 of 40. Small wood-burning stove or heater installed with chimney through roof. Exterior chimney cap visible.
Step 34 of 40. Soft interior lighting installed and tested. Warm glow visible through windows as day progresses. Step 36 of 40. Final exterior stain/coating applied and protective sealant visible on wood surfaces. Step 37 of 40. Decorative details added. House numbers, mailbox, potted plants on porch. Step 38. The cleanup crew removes tools and debris, performing a final sweep of the porch and yard.